All right, let's talk about the last stream I want to touch on. That is about the subsequent entrant, as I've mentioned previously. So the next one we want to talk about is the labor agreement stream. And here, only employers that have labor agreement with the government can nominate somebody overseas, right? So there are some employers that have special, consideration and labor agreement with the government. So they are able to bring people from overseas to work, people that are skilled, of course. And it allows you to also live in Australia for 4 years. This is the price of the visa, 3115, just like the other streams as well. You can study, but government would not support you as well, like the specialist skilled stream. You must only work for that nominated employer. That's pretty much obvious right now. And you need to meet minimum English unless you're exempted. So the other key thing is that unlike core and specialist stream, here you're going to be nominated based on the labor agreement agreed between the employer and government. It's not about the Australian New Zealand skill occupation list or the core stream occupation list. So this is a special arrangement usually between the employer and government that you need to position yourself in. So you can see that the premise of this visa is, first, you need to understand those visa and know what is required. Then you need to look for an employer that can sponsor you. Now that is where I have expertise. I will talk about how you can apply, but before we get into application phase, the next one we'll talk about how can you find these employers. There are a couple of places you can find. Again, you can find extensive video on my YouTube where I talk about this, but in a short video I'm going to explain some of the platform where you can find these employers. So follow me and share for more.